does it squeak on, like?
Alright, well, sometimes the afterburn seems to be a lot more, I don't know, what's the word? The afterburn seems to get worse sometimes and better sometimes. It seems a little worse right now. And then before my tack was going up and down a little bit, it kind of wanted to die, and then it would come back up. It's not really doing it right now. You can see it fluctuating just a little bit. There's a squeaking noise I hear sometimes when I rev the car. Hopefully it'll make the sound right now so we all know what it sounds like. Grant, just like put it right here so we can hear the sound while I rev it. Yeah, it's not doing it right now. Yeah, it's not doing it now. What the hell? It's kind of, I don't know what it does.